Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome to my YouTube family. My name is Mary. Thank you so much for clicking on my video. So in this video, I'm just picking up my everyday mess. I normally like to clean in the morning and pick up at night. So I've pretty much done this all my life ever since I've been on my own. I filmed this in the evening right after my bathroom organization, so if you guys haven't seen that video, I invite you to go watch it, and don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any future uploads. So right now I'm just taking out the trash of everything I decluttered in the bathroom earlier that day. Okay, so now I'm just putting a load in the washer. Do you guys have huge amount of clothes? I'm telling you guys, they keep piling up every single day. Thank God I love doing laundry and I love folding. I think it's probably my favorite task of all. I know some people dread it, but I actually love this task. So this is my filling basket. That's where I put all of my equipment. And I don't know about you guys, but I just love organizing or decluttering, especially at night. It just calms me down before bedtime. And that's my beautiful daughter Kaylee in the background. You guys have probably seen her in some videos where she tries out my food. Right now she's just baking a cake. Does anyone else wash dishes like 3-4 times a day? Because I do, you guys. I constantly have a whole bunch of dishes, whether it's from snacking or whether it's from cooking, but it just never ends. So I just got this kitchen cleaner. It's from the brand Attitude. I got it from Amazon. I showed you guys the haul the other day. Okay, so right now I'm just decluttering this counter here. I find I have a lot of things. I'm actually gonna put away a blender that I have over there. If you guys could see it, I'm gonna put it underneath because I just don't use it anymore, so I don't know why I should keep it on the counter. So I like to do this once in a while, either change everything around or declutter or just organize. Okay, so over here in this lantern, I used to have a candle, but I figured I'll just take these ornaments that I used last year that I did not use this year on my tree, and I put some LED lights, and I find the result was really cute. I got these LED lights from the dollar store, and they're snowflakes, and they also had a bunch of different ones. So now I'm just decluttering this cabinet that I have vitamins inside, and I'm just checking to see what's expired and throwing it out. So I like to keep all of my HelloFresh recipes. I'm just gonna put those somewhere else. So I finally got the chance to take down my happy birthday after 2 whole weeks, you guys. But my daughter, she was really happy that I kept it that long. So that's the end of the video, guys. Right now I'm just gonna fold my clothes for the rest of the night, and then I'm probably gonna either watch a movie or go to bed or just go on my phone and call it a night. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you have a great night as well. I hope I motivated you to get up and do some cleaning or some organizing right before bed. And that's it, guys. So thank you very much for watching. Bye.